Good morning, Al. This is Zach at Voss Motors. Just showing you a quick little glimpse of the Lexus that you're interested in. Do a quick little walk around video, go over price, a little bit of the car proof info. Really good shape for the year. Really good shape for 2002. And moderately decent kilometers for that as well. So we're looking at 6888 for the car, only 143,000 kilometers for 2002. That's really not that bad at all. No extra fees associated with that price, so it's just taxes and licensing. And here's a glimpse of the car proof. It's a totally clean car proof, and all your service records and stuff are right here. From what I can tell on this, I think there's been three owners on the vehicle. In-province vehicle, Ontario vehicle, yep, in-province vehicle, 6888 plus tax. Respond back to the email or give us a call if you want to schedule a test drive. Right, thank you so much. Have a good one.